Hi guys, we will talk about the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra and the Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $700 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimensions is same and the weight of these devices. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 223 grams and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 246 grams. The build, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with front and back glass and titanium frame, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM. The display of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion colors, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same, not much difference. The resolution of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro have 2K screen resolution and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 1116 by 2480 pixels. The PPI density, the Xiaomi 14 Pro have 522 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 400. The refresh rate of these devices, the both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio is same. And the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Xiaomi Longjing glass and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Xiaomi 14 Pro have 3000 nits peak brightness and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 1500 nits peak brightness. The camera of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto. The Leica lens, it record 8K 30fps video. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto periscope. It's also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 16 megapixel under display camera. The platform, the Xiaomi 14 Pro and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor chipset and the GPU. The both mobile come with Adreno 750 GPU. It's the both mobile based on Android 14. The memory of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage of these devices, the both devices come with 256GB and 512GB and 1TB internal storage. The both mobile don't have any SD card supported. Let's talk about the battery of these devices. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 4880 watt mAh battery and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 6000 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 80 watt fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with the Xiaomi 14 Pro have 50 watt wireless charging and ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have not any wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network. The commons and features are same in both mobiles. The result of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 24 points and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 20 points.